Welcome to this webinar sponsored by CustomizedTrading.com. Thank you for joining us, and we're going to share a really powerful edge on not only your Forex trading, but this works on stocks and futures just as well. We're going to take a normal MACD and we're going to enhance this MACD with the best edge of all, multiple time frames. Now this is a MACD on a 5-minute Aussie US dollar, but it works on any symbol. So what we're going to show you down below is the MACD off of the chart. That's the cyan line, but the white one is off of a 15-minute MACD. The magenta is off of a 30-minute MACD. The green is a 60-minute MACD. The brown is a 120-minute MACD. The dark magenta is a 240-minute MACD, and the dark cyan is a daily. So here's why this is enhanced. You see this coming down here in a crossover, but do you know that what it's going to do? Is it just a head fake or is it valid? Well, you look at this and you look at these time frames sitting here but not breaking down on the higher time frame MACD. That's a good sign of a good move, and you get a powerful move to the upside. Now you have a crossover here, and this is just a lagging, you take the 5-minute line and you just run it through another simple moving average or exponential moving average and smooth it, and then that becomes the trigger line. But here you have the other time frames. So when this hits a peak along with these others and it pulls down through it, that's coming through other time frame lines. So there's a strong move. Now this comes right back down to this daily support. It finds support here and doesn't break down. So you're not wanting to go to the short side here, and you don't get faked out here. So then you got another bounce to the upside. Now on this last one to the upside, you then have another turn through the multiple time frames, and this time it breaks down through. Now it comes back and challenges that, but see when it challenges the daily and these higher time frame MACDs, there's another good push to the downside. Again, it crosses through the other time frames. That's the end of that move, and you're in the trade the opposite direction, and a nice big move back up to challenge this. Now in this case you have a higher MACD, but you have a lower price, so you got to watch out, and it takes a little while. It makes its move down and then it turns back up. But basically this is a powerful edge to look at the MACD on multiple time frames instead of a single time frame indicator like this. So if you like what we're showing, there's a lot more information. It's in that link in the description down below the video here. And join us on the website. A lot of free videos and training articles that'll share all these powerful edges that you can apply to not only your Forex trading, but if you're doing stocks or futures, it applies to them as well. Thank you for joining us.